Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Connor. Today we're in a Benimar Motorhome. This customer's come in because they want to change out the factory basic screen that's in here for a fully fledged built-in navigation unit with the option for motorhome based navigation and also the ability to put in dimensions of the vehicle so this rather large Benimar Motorhome doesn't get taken down the wrong style of roads where you're stuck down roads which can't be turned around in tight roads and low bridges, etc, etc. Anyway, let's go through what we've actually installed. So this is the KENWOOD DNR992 model. The model exactly is written down there for you. Now we've actually wired this so it obviously works on the key barrel, but the customer also has a switch which is located here. We've actually wired this to the optional leisure battery in the motorhome, meaning that they can flick that switch on and have the unit on without obviously draining the starter battery. Benimar logo on just for a nice little touch, so it's more in keeping with the vehicle. Even though it's a large 10-inch screen, it doesn't actually block any of your air vents. That's a direct on view. You can see the air vents are completely unrestricted flow, which is nice. So no reason not to go for such a big screen because your heated controls are also still accessible. Now let's get rid of the disclaimer quickly. So I'm going to go to the navigation screen. This is Garmin based navigation, full European maps built in. I mentioned about the dimensions, so I want to quickly show you what I mean. So we go to settings and go to motorhome caravan profile and then go to edit active profile. You can see here you've got gross weight, the width, the height, the overall length, and you can even add a trailer on the back. So if you're towing a smart car or a car behind you, you can add that as well. So it means that this vehicle is not going to get taken down roads that aren't compatible. Nice screen this is. 720p HD screen. If you want to reduce the glare even further, it's not going to be a problem where it is now, but you can actually tilt this screen and have it completely flat if you prefer. You can literally tilt it on the fly. It's very stiff. It will not like move when you're driving. That is a stiff screen to rotate. We've got wireless Apple CarPlay as well, wireless Android Auto. The unit's got a HDMI input as well, so if you want to put like an Amazon Fire Stick in there, you can. So in the glove box here, we've actually installed a HDMI lead for the customer to, add on optional extras. We've retained the original USB down here to the KENWOOD, so that still works. You've got a lovely rotary volume dial, which is super easy to use, unlike touch-sensitive buttons, which can be fiddly to use when you're driving and bouncing down the road. All the steering wheel controls still work on the steering wheel, so they all work as factory. But yeah, it's a great unit, DNR992, super responsive screen. You've got a capacitive screen on it. But yeah, people love the fact it's wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so no need to plug your phone into the USB, so that lead doesn't have to be plugged in there, it's all wireless. And yeah, built-in nav, built-in Bluetooth, DAB radio, utilising the original antenna. This car has already got a reverse camera installed, so if I turn the ignition on, because the ignition needs to be on for the reverse camera, then I can actually show you the reverse camera working on the original screen if I put it in reverse. And there you go. Customer's reverse camera will work as standard. Great view, because the camera on the original screen was only a small screen. Now they've got a full-size 10-inch screen of it to the reverse camera. And that is it. That is a DNR 992 RVS model fitted in a KENWOOD. You get 3-year warranty with ourselves when we install it. Hope you like watching this video. Keep subscribing to our channel. See you on the next one. My name is Connor. See you later.